Hello, I am Miriam, co-founder and COO of Keto Chow. My husband and I own and operate a business, and it is a meal replacement shake. We actually have a couple other products. We have some electrolytes and egg powder. And I just wanted to tell you today a little bit about my own personal journey. When my husband decided he wanted to have a meal replacement shake, I thought he was nuts. Another shake? I don't want another shake. I'm so tired of shakes. But he's really worked hard to make it nutritionally complete. We've been doing a lot of research over the years and continue to do research to make sure that we have really good ingredients. And if there's something that we learn that's better, we'll change it out. Something that I've really enjoyed through my keto journey is learning about myself, learning to try to be kind to myself and to be able to be more compassionate to myself and others. I feel like a lot of times we don't do so well treating ourselves kindly. We really like to just be kind to everybody else. And for some reason, we're like enemy number one, and we really need to be our own advocate. It's difficult, even though it's hard. People are getting my back, and I feel like we are trying to have other people's backs as well. And even though we have these stumbling blocks we run into, and we have weight gain, and we have pandemics that are horrible, we have been working really hard to try to get over those blocks together. And I'm just so grateful for the opportunity that I have to be part of Keto Chow, that my husband worked really hard to do this, and that my family has been able to do this as a family. It's been great to have them learn about nutrition also, and to be able to make some of those choices themselves, to feel like they own it. There's still a lot of things that I can do to improve. Even though, we're not always perfectly successful, we're trying our best, and we're grateful to have you along for the journey. Thank you.